DoJo, a specialized training facility that offers tailored, practical training solutions designed to improve operational efficiency and worker capabilities. Through its immersive, hands-on approach, it empowers employees to enhance their skills and foster a culture of continuous improvement, contribute significantly to enhanced performance and drive organizational success. In this episode of EssAnnPee Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic DoJo, a place of learning and practice, authored by Panigrahi, Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner, ATP, Instructor, PMI USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers, FIE, Chartered Engineer, Certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt. Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author, Special Invitee Board of Studies Symbiosis Center of Distance Learning. Origin of DoJo, a place of learning and practice. Historical context. The word DoJo is of Japanese origin, meaning place of the way. The word do means the way or the pursuit, and jo means a place. Thus, DoJo in Japanese means place of the pursuit, symbolize a space dedicated to mastering a discipline, whether physical, mental, or spiritual. Originally rooted in Zen Buddhism, the DoJo was traditionally a sacred space within religious temples. Its application to martial arts training emerged in ancient Japan. Within the context of Japanese martial culture, the DoJo served as both a physical training ground for combat techniques and a spiritual sanctuary for moral development. An industrial DoJo is a specialized, immersive training environment where workers in manufacturing and process-driven industries develop practical skills through hands-on exercises and real-time problem-solving. This approach ensures employees are equipped to meet operational demands with efficiency and excellence. Let us understand the DoJo concept with the help of 5W and 1H approach. 1. What? An industrial DoJo is a dedicated training space where workers engage in immersive, practical exercises that simulate real-world operational scenarios. It focuses on skill enhancement, continuous improvement, and fostering a culture of excellence. 2. Where? Industrial DoJos are set up within the workplace, often on-site in factories or plants. They are typically located close to the production areas to ensure easy access and immediate application of the learned skills in the actual work environment. 3. When? DoJo sessions are conducted regularly as part of ongoing employee development. These sessions might take place during onboarding, continuous training programs, or when implementing new processes or systems to ensure seamless transitions and continuous improvement. 4. Why? The primary purpose of an industrial DoJo is to elevate workforce competence, reduce errors, improve productivity, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. It bridges the gap between theoretical training and practical application, ensuring that workers can immediately implement improvements on the job. 5. Who? The industrial DoJo is primarily for frontline employees, supervisors, and teams in industries like manufacturing, automotive, and process management. It empowers them with problem-solving skills, lean principles, and hands-on experience to improve operational efficiency. 6. How? Through a structured training approach, workers engage in real-time simulations, hands-on activities, and collaborative problem-solving exercises. They are mentored and evaluated by experienced trainers, enabling them to directly apply lean techniques and operational best practices. Conclusion: an industrial DoJo is a critical asset for any organization focused on operational excellence, as it nurtures a workforce that is skilled, empowered, and capable of driving continuous improvements in efficiency, reduction of defects, and sustained operational excellence. By integrating DoJos, companies can foster a culture of continuous practical learning, safety, and productivity that directly contributes to business success.
Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.